Payroll is another feature of IntractERP where you can generate payslips for your staff members. If you go to Payroll dashboard from the Payroll feature, you will see a list of all the staff members in the institution. You can see the salary paid to them and the last date the salary is paid on. On the right hand side, you can see the pending approvals and pending actions. From the dashboard, you can go to pending payslips, generate payslips, or payroll settings. To generate payslips, click on the Generate Payslips option from the dashboard or under Payroll feature. Then select the payroll group. Click on Date. Here, it is important to understand and remember that the date you will select here will appear on the payslip of the employee. Then click on the Fetch button beside it. It will fetch you all the details of the employees, the salaries, total earnings and total deductions. Earnings are the overtimes and other benefits of the employees, whereas deductions are the leave deductions, half-day deductions, late marks, etc. Here you can edit any details if you want to before generating the pay slip. Then select the box beside the employee name and click on Generate to generate the pay slip. All the generated pay slips will appear under the pending employee pay slips option. If you go to pending pay slips option directly from the payroll feature, you will have to select the payroll group and the date. Here you can see the details, and on the right hand side you can either approve the payslip, reject the payslip, or even view the payslip. If you reject the payslip, it will directly go to rejected payslips option, and after the payment of the salary you can approve the payslips by filling in the details here. Under the rejected payslips option, you can edit, delete, view or reject any payslip. Before that, you will have to select the payroll group and the payslip date. Then you can go on the right hand side to either edit, delete or view the payslip. If you edit any details, this payslip will again go to pending payslips option. Here you can edit any details you want to and then click on Generate. It will go to pending employee payslips option. All the approved payslips will appear under the approved employee payslips. Before that, select the payroll group and the date. It will show you all the approved payslips. You can either view and print the payslips from here or revert the payslip back to pending if you find any issues in it. You can also export the data by clicking on the export button, and the data will be exported in an Excel sheet format. Thank you.